My birthday was just a couple of weeks ago, and I realized how many people hate the idea of getting older because I got a lot of texts and cards and phone calls from friends who said things like, wow, you're getting older, or how's it feel to be one step closer to death, or something, funny like that. But one of the blessings that we get with age is that we get wiser. I know more now in my life about having great relationships because I've been in a lot of relationships, and I'm not just talking about relationships with family and friends, but the relationships that I have with people on my team, and understanding how to talk with them and understand them and be empathetic to them. Because by nature, I am not an empathetic person. I'm super focused, and I want to surround myself with people who are also super focused. So empathy was something that I needed to work on and become really kind of decent at it. So it was a natural part of how I communicate with people. And relationships with women, it is so much easier now than it was 10 years or 20 years ago for me to communicate with women, because now I understand more about what they want and what they need in order to feel heard and safe. And the wisdom that you accumulate each year makes life tremendously better for everybody, including yourself and everybody around you. And it only comes by repetition and screwing up badly, and then screwing up a little less badly, and then screwing up a little less badly, and then finally getting to the point where you don't screw up in certain areas of your life. Because getting a year older should mean getting a lot wiser in every area of your life. Every single year, you should get wiser about how you handle money and build wealth. Every single year, you should understand how to appreciate your health more so that you take better care of yourself. Every year, you should understand how your mind works so that you can be a little bit happier. Every year, you should make deeper relationships with the people in your family and your friends because you've had more time to understand them and to create memories with them. And most importantly, every single year, you should make a list in every area of your life where you're doing well and areas of your life that you could be doing a little bit better, and then set a plan to get wiser this year than you were last year in every area of life, because that's the definition of fulfillment.